From dousing flames to medical emergencies, first responders are the first line of defense when a crisis hits. But one local fire department is struggling to meet demand. And a multitude of issues are combining to deliver public safety concerns. We are taking you to Shrewsbury tonight, where help is needed in so many ways. And News 4's Russell Kinsall is learning money is also on that need.
A shortage of firefighters has residents of Shrewsbury wondering how quickly an ambulance might respond if they had an emergency.
Because if we need an ambulance, we need the fire department. We want to make sure we're paying taxes. We should get them, or we hope we get them.
All Shrewsbury firefighters are paramedics, but some days there's not enough of them to staff the ambulance that would transport someone to the hospital. Abbott Ambulance is providing an ambulance to fill the gap, but it could get called away, and then Shrewsbury would have to call a neighboring community for help.
That could be 10, 12 minutes before they get there on scene.
A drop in tax revenue has caused a deficit and tied the city's hands.
But one of the things that we had to deal with was a hiring freeze until May. And then we're going to revisit that in May as we see our revenues hopefully increase.
But Shrewsbury has had a tough time keeping firefighters. 9 have left this year, mostly because of the low pay. The starting salary for a firefighter in Shrewsbury is $45,770. Webster Groves, $64,823. Brentwood, $64,553. And at Richmond Heights, $60,668. The firefighter shortage means the current staff is working a lot of overtime.
Managing as best we can, but if we lose even one more person, it's going to be very hard to maintain a level of service without burning everybody out.
We're not one of the highest paying fire departments, and we know that. We have a great group of people, a great staff of firefighters.
The increase in online sales during the pandemic has caused a drop in sales tax revenue for Shrewsbury. If things don't improve soon, they may consider a tax increase. But Corey, it's way too early to say whether or not any money from that could be used to boost salaries for the fire department.